Hello friend, today we've got a little project to do on the RV. The other day I was running the air conditioner and I noticed that there was a little haze of smoke and a burnt electrical smell inside the RV. And at first I didn't know where it was coming from. I thought maybe the RV was on fire, but luckily narrowed it down to the blower motor on the RV air conditioner. And about probably a month or two ago, I noticed that there was a squealing sound coming from the AC unit, so I figured the blower motor was going to go bad pretty soon. I went ahead and looked up the information for our particular unit, the Therm by Dometic. I found a replacement on Amazon. I'll share that link with you in case you have a similar model. So let's unbox it and get to replacing that motor. So as you can see, there's 3 boxes inside this large box. And I ordered the whole kit, although they did just have the blower motor itself. Went ahead and got the whole kit. Comes with a capacitor, replacement capacitor, the mounting bracket for the motor, the support bracket I should say. There's the blower motor itself. I have to say it's pretty good packaging. In this box we have the squirrel cage, or the blower fan, that blows the cool air into the RV. And in this box we have the fan that fits on the radiator side. Now we just have to climb up on the roof of the RV and remove the old blower motor. The first thing I have to do is remove the plastic cover from the unit and make sure that the power to the unit is disconnected so I don't get electrocuted. Before I start any project, I like to take pictures to document the original connections or state of things before I dismantled it, just to help in case I have any issues putting it back together. I have to remove the 6 screws that hold on the front metal shroud, and on this particular unit I have to loosen the front radiator assembly so I can gain access to the squirrel cage fan. Most of the units have a plate that the blower motor is attached to, that by removing that plate the blower motor is removed easily, but this unit is built differently and you can't remove the metal where the blower motor is bolted. Now that the squirrel cage fan is removed from the blower motor shaft, I can unbolt the old blower motor from the metal frame and pull it out. I got the old blower motor out. You can see it's got a lot of wear and tear. Now I need to assemble the new radiator fan onto the back end of the new blower motor shaft, and then install the new assembly into the metal frame of the unit. I bolted the new assembly to the metal frame and attached the new support stand to the back of the motor assembly. Then I was able to put the new squirrel cage fan on the front shaft of the motor. I don't know if you can see it in there, but there's the new squirrel cage installed. And the new blower motor with the new fan. Now I've just got to put the wiring in and we'll be done. And do some cleaning. I noticed it's kind of dirty up here. So I'm going to bring the vacuum out and do a little spring cleaning while I'm up here. Now I have to gain access to the wiring to wire the new motor into the unit, which is located behind this cover. After a little cleaning, I attach the wires to the capacitor and to the factory plug by following the color coding of the wires and by using the pictures I took earlier of how it was originally installed as a guide. Then it was just a matter of putting everything back together, plugging the power back into the unit, and cleaning up all the tools and old parts. Alright, I got the blower all installed and everything is buttoned up on the roof. Now is the moment of truth. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm not going to run the AC because it's actually nice out today, but the blower is all I need to test. So let's turn the fan on and see if it works. All right. Looks like we did it. Looks like everything is good. There was no extra parts, and it seems to be blowing just fine. I'm gonna switch it to the low. There's the low speed. There's the high speed, so everything's working great. No more squealing, no more burning smell. So I think we fixed it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you if you have the same problem. You just have to look up your part number and get up on the roof and do it if you want to do it. We'll see you next time.